Hello, what's up guys? My name is Vic with PhoneArena and today we have the brand new Apple Watch Series 4 right here for an unboxing. So let's get started and take a look at this beautiful packaging. Apple has really done something really simple with a white plain packaging. You see the Apple Watch right here on the front, and on the back we have the Series 4 in silver aluminum case. We have the white sport band and a 44mm version. So for this unboxing, we won't need this knife, so we'll just put it away, as Apple provides this handy pull tab, so you can just take the plastic off really easily. And now you have these two flaps here that unfold like a Japanese origami. And you have this beautiful outer shell where you can see pictures of the Apple Watch in different versions. And inside this box, we have two different boxes. We have one box for the Apple Watch itself and one for the band. And here we have the white band. So let's get started. First, unboxing the Apple Watch. Let's wiggle it out of the box. Okay, and here is the watch itself. As you can see, you have this very nice fabric case. So let's take the watch out of it. And this is what you get. A very tiny watch. Despite here we have the 44mm, the larger version, it still looks pretty small. So we'll take a closer look at it in a second. Let's see what else do we get in the box. Designed by Apple in California. Here are the user manuals. Let's put them aside. We have a standard charger, a wall charger here, and the charging base, which is magnetic. So we're done unboxing the watch. Now let's unbox the white silver band. We have the sports band here with a stainless steel pin. So let's take it off. And here you have some instructions on how you can use this band. And here it is itself. Beautiful white silver band. Okay, so basically you have two different sizes. You have the M or L sized version that we have just unboxed here, and you have the smaller S version if you have a smaller wrist. Okay, and the watch has now started up, and we'll install the white band that goes with the silver watch. Simply slide it in, and then the top part, again slide it in. And now we'll put it on our wrist and show you how it looks. Okay, so here's how it goes on your wrist. You snap it in place, and the band goes underneath. And this is how it looks on your wrist. So let's set it up and we'll be back in a second. Okay, it's now time to set up the Apple Watch, and we're inside the Apple Watch app that's on the iPhone, and we'll select Start Pairing. While on the watch we'll select English as our language. Hit the check mark, choose region. Okay, and it's time to start pairing the watch. And just like that, your Apple Watch is paired. Set up the Apple Watch. We'll use it on our left wrist. It takes one more moment to set up the watch and get it ready. So we'll wait for that. Okay, we'll skip the step, enter our password. Okay, there are a couple of other options that you go through. First, you have workout route tracking. So we'll enable this, use Siri, let's share the analytics with Apple. We'll use the Apple Watch without a passcode. And now that the Apple Watch is syncing, we should be ready to use it in just a second and show you the basic watch faces and all there is right here on the new Apple Watch. Okay, finally the watch is all synced, all paired to the Apple Watch app, and it's ready to go. So let's press the digital crown and you feel a little haptic vibration, and you're right there with the new Apple Watch face. So let's take a quick look around. Swiping down, you can see Siri, and you just swipe left and right to change between different watch faces. And swipe from bottom up, you get different settings. Press on the digital crown. A long press brings up Siri.
That may be.
Single press brings you to the app menu. And then you have this button right here. It shows you cards of your activity. Okay, so let's take a look at the different watch faces that you get here on board with the new Apple Watch. You swipe left or right to change between different watch faces. As you can see, you have up to 30% bigger display compared to previous editions, and you can fit a lot more information. So here's the new watch face. Here you have the Siri watch face, the sports watch face, and different ones. So this one is really impressive, the Vapor watch face. You can pick between different styles that go all the way to the new thinner bezels on the Apple Watch Series 4. You have the cute Mickey Minnie Mouse wallpaper and all the standard ones. You long press to customize a watch face. And you feel a little haptic vibration with this new digital crown, which is really nice, really subtle. Okay, and this was our quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4. Stay tuned for our full review that's coming up soon, and thanks for watching.